I love this Comfier warming towel bucket. It is seriously one of the best things I've purchased in such a long time. This towel warmer has revolutionized bath time spa days. The plug is a 3-prong plug, so be sure you have one of these kind of outlets in your bathroom. You plug it in and you have to press this button. Don't forget to press the button or you will not have a warm towel. It does not get so hot that anything burns. There's no bad smell coming from it. With the lid open, it's almost the height of the vanity. I unplug it and keep it in the corner when not in use, and it doesn't take up much space at all. It's a perfect size for my bathroom. And it feels so luxurious when you get out of a bath, whether it's cold or even when it's warm. I use it all the time. It's quite large. I can fit my robe, my towel, and my head towel, all in here with plenty of room to spare.